This is Biryogo, one of Kigali Rwanda's oldest districts. In the 1940s and 50s, it was the best place to find affordable land in the city, so a huge number of slums sprang up to accommodate its booming population. Nyiranuma is one of these settlements. From the sky, you can see the area is unplanned. Its ramshackle roofs and winding streets are sharp contrast to the organized grid in the official part of the city. But despite its humble appearance, this little neighborhood might surprise you. Let's see what's inside. Hello viewers, if you like this content, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more, and please hit the like button to boost my videos in the algorithm. Mary way. So far, the area is giving me good vibes. I've noticed that in Rwanda and Africa in general, the poorer people seem to be more chill and down to earth. In this specific area, the residents are probably used to cameras. That's because it's right next to the Biryogo car-free zone, a recently completed walking street that has attracted lots of tourists and media attention. Notice the beautiful graffiti on the walls. Street painting is very common in Kigali, especially in this part of the city. Let's check out the more residential areas of the settlement. Biryogo is basically like Rwanda's Muslim district, heavily influenced by immigrants from Tanzania, Burundi, and Uganda. You don't even need to speak English or Kinyarwanda here. Almost everyone knows Swahili. Very way. Rwanda is a very rainy country with lots of hills, which is a challenging combination. These steps were designed to allow water to pass through. They're basically like a tunnel.
Banizeye ko urugo rwanjye ruhorana isuku rukanameze neza.
For television. Are they speaking English or English?